Okay, so my game is called The Escape. The goal of this game is to unscramble words into a password, the correct password to escape the room. In order to do so, we will start out with our escape card. So we each choose an escape card, and each escape card has a password on the back, like this. And I will be using this card. We each get numbered cards, and on the other side it's a whiteboard, so you can write what the letters are from your password onto these cards. Okay, so as you can see, I filled out all 10 of my cards with the numbers and letters that are on this card. Clearly there are not 10 numbers or letters, so I was able to add random numbers or letters as a strategy to try and confuse my opponent, so it makes it harder for them to guess the password. So now that we have all the cards laid out, we are going to go on to our opponent's side of the board. This is my side, this is my opponent's, and we're going to write in numbers 1 through 10, and they're going to have to try to land on those. You will see this shortly. So you can use a little bit of strategy when you're doing this. You are allowed to tell the opponent where to start and where to end. But first I like to lay out my numbers. Okay, so as you can see, we each put a S for start and E for escape or end. We will place our pieces on the starting position. And then we are going to roll the dice, and whoever has the highest number gets to roll first for the game. So I got 5. She got 6, so she gets to go first, so she's going to roll. And she's only got 1. Unfortunate. And then I'm going to roll 1. Let's see. So she rolled 5. And she can move left, right, up, down, or diagonal. So what'd you get?
6.
6. I am going to flip over my 6, which is over here. And that is an R. Okay. Roll. And as you can see, she's starting to write her letters and numbers on her little whiteboard so that she can unscramble them and guess what the password is at the end. Okay, and then you're gonna erase it just so that you don't get confused along the way on which number you've already landed on. So I rolled 2, so what's 9?
Y.
Y. All right, your turn. Okay, so now that she has landed on all of the squares, she still can't guess. She has to land on the E to start guessing. One.
S.
So now I can start guessing, and I'm going to time myself for 1 minute with my phone timer.
Time.
Okay, so if I do not get it the first time around, she will give me the amount of letters or numbers that are in her word.
7.
So there are 7. 1. Okay.
1.
Time you. Time.
Okay. How many letters?
6. Okay, I'm just gonna give up. Not give up, but I'm gonna go for my next clue, and the next clue would be for your opponent to give you the first letter of the password.
K.
Okay. Your turn to start guessing. Or do you want the first?
I'm going to pass and ask for my first letter.
W. Alright. You're timing me.
Ready? Go.
Oh. Keyword.
Right.
Yay! Okay, so that is what I came up with. Here, give me that. This was her card she chose, and it was keyword, and I came up with keyword. So pretty much that is the game. If you need a little bit more clarification, you can refer back to my PowerPoint with the rules in it. Hopefully it made sense. There's a good bit of strategy, I would say. So from the very beginning, coming up with other letters and numbers. Also by placing your numbers on the board so that they are far or close to your starting position. Yeah, so it's best 2 games out of 3, and that's it.